In this video, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas. How to draw the drawing using the SolidEdge software. The problem reads as a triangular plane figure of sides 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its corners such that the surface of the lamina makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. If the side opposite the corner on which the lamina rests makes an angle of 30 degree with VP, draw the top and front views in this position. So how to draw this by using the SolidEdge software? Now the moment when you go to the SolidEdge software, you're going to have this screen. Now I need to change the sheet setup. To change the sheet setup, the first thing is go to the lower left corner and you can see there is sheet 1. So you just right click on that and come down to sheet setup and change the background sheet. This is the background sheet what you have, which is of A2 size sheet. Then I want to make it A4. So you click on the pull down combo box. Here you make this as A4 and see, then you have the show background, you have the background sheet, that is the nameplate what you want. I don't want to display the nameplate, therefore you disable that and say OK. Now the sheet has been changed to A4. What is the dimension of A4? It is 297 by 210. So why I need to set the sheet to the A4? Because in examination we need to take the printout only on A4. Suppose if you do the problem in A2, then if you try to take the printout, then the drawing will go to be shrink, because it will, whatever it is there inside this boundary will go to be taken. So automatically the sheet will go to become big, whereas the drawing will go to become small. Therefore it is very, very important that first you fix the sheet size and then only you have to start with the problem. Now once you do that, now the display has not been changed. The display is still set to A2 only. So now you need to fit to the sheet. So you just click on the fit option. So automatically the sheet will going to be connected with the to the requirement of the display. Now once you do that, now I need to write the text. So what the text is, a triangular plane figure. So to do that, you go to text and here take this as Times New Roman, and then I want to take the font size as 4 only for writing the text. That is the figure, the problem, a triangular plane figure. A triangular plane figure of size 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its corners, comma, such that the surface of the lamina makes an angle of 60 degree. 60 by holding the Alt key, type 0176. 60 degree with HP. Then if the side opposite the corner, opposite the corner on which the lamina rests makes an angle of 30 degree, Alt 0176, 30 degree with BP. Then draw the top and front views in this position. Then once you type this, you just right click, so you will going to get the sheet. You have to get the problem type. Once you do that, now I will go for sketching, go to move, disable copy, select this. The moment when you click on this, it will going to be taken, all the lines will going to be taken at once. Click for the point to move from. You take any position and move it to the top of the corner of the top corner of the sheet. Once you do that, now I need to start with the problem. So to do that, first I should go to the IntelliSketch. So here, since I am using ST9, so you can see the IntelliSketch directly here, IntelliSketch. But when you go for your when you are trying to do the problem in the lower version of your SolidEdge, you have to go to Tools. Once you go to Tools, click on IntelliSketch. From there, you have relationship. There only you will going to get the actual things. So here you switch on the endpoint, then the intersection point, and then horizontal or vertical, and remove all other options. Now I want to write the triangular plane figure of 25 mm sides. So always the angle is measured from with respect to the horizontal. First you make sure that you will going to draw a triangle in the horizontal position, and then we will going to rotate. So to do that, first I will go for a line command. So then after that you come down to this line width, make this line width as 0.05 first. This is very, very important. So then you click on any arbitrary point, then take the distance as 25, angle is 0, then to this I will going to add 25, angle is 120, then to this 25, angle is 25, angle is 120 plus 120, it becomes 240. Enter. Once you do that, now I will want to make this as a block, because if I click on this, only that line will be selected. Suppose if you click on this, only that line will be selected and this will be removed. So to change this, what I will do, I will go to block, click on groups, select this line, this and this. So right click it. Now if you click on one side, all the sides will be selected at once. So this is how you will be able to create the block, that is a single entity. Now I need to rotate this. I will go for rotate command. So I don't want to copy this, select on this. What I need to do now, I want the corner to be placed. So I will just click for the center of rotation. I will click on this endpoint, then click the point to rotate from here, and then I will going to rotate by 90 degrees. So you can see here, this will be rotated by 90 degrees. Now once you do that, I will go for a move command, take this and place it wherever you want. Okay, then once you do that, then go to select this line and make that group which is of 0.5 thickness mode. Then I will go for a line command and I will draw a horizontal line of any length. Okay, now here I need to start writing the text. So I will name the points. I will go to text, take the font size as 3 for writing the points. So here I will type small letter A, here I will write small letter B, and here I will write small letter C. Then right click, then I will go for line, take from A and C, draw a vertical line. Similarly from B also draw a vertical line, and then go to trim this line, this and this. Now you go to select this line and make that line to be of 0.5. Now I need to name them. So to do that, I will go for A dash, then I will come to this side, I will mark this as B dash, and then from here I will take C dash in bracket. Then again come down to zoom window. Now you go to move, select B dash and keep it here. So here you take A dash and keep it here above that line, and then C here. Okay. Now then similarly you take move A, then move select this line point and move it nearer, and you take C and keep it here. So once you do that, now we have the front view and top view for the initial position. Now again, what I need. So this side is a corner, this side is a side, and this side is a corner. Now I want to keep one of the corners on HP. So now here all the corners are on HP. Now I will go for a move command and put the copy on. Click on the elements to modify. I will click on this. Okay. And click to point to move from. You select some arbitrary point. Now as you see, it's moving in both the directions. But I want to move this only in horizontal direction. Therefore, by using the tab key, you move this to the Y. Just you press just you press tab. So the cursor will move from X to Y. Again, it is also moving here. But what I don't want it to move it in Y direction. Therefore, I will keep it as 0. Then you can see it moves only in X. So take any convenient distance and click on the first button of the mouse, and again it is asking you, then you just right click it. So I have copied this entity from here to here. Once you do that, in the copy what happens, this is also retained, and you are going to have one more copy of the same object. Now what I want to do now, I want to rotate this by an angle of 60 degrees. So to do that, I will go for a rotate option, select on this line, then click for the center of rotation. I want corner, the corner which is the corner here, this one. So the corner should be an XY line. Click the point to rotate from here. So what should be the angle? Angle is 60 degrees. So once rotate 60, so it will comes down because counterclockwise direction is positive. So I will take the cursor to the top and click on the first button of the mouse. Then you just go to line command, draw. Now I will write these entities now. So I will go for a line command, draw a horizontal line first of any length. So what I am doing is, I am doing drawing the XY line. Then from here also I will going to create on this side also. Okay. Now once you do that, now I will go for a move and enable copy. You select this and move this till here, which is B dash. Then you select this A dash, you keep it here. Then C dash, you keep it here. Now we have to draw the top view now. So draw a vertical projector from B dash to the top view and draw a horizontal projector from B. Both these two lines will intersect at this point. You keep it this as trim corner, then go to move, disable copy, select this and move it here. Okay. Again, go to line command, draw a vertical projector from both A dash and C dash to the top view, and draw a horizontal projector from A from the top view of the first position. Then from here C, take it. And now you go to trim corner between this line, and also between this line and this line. Now again you go to move, copy, take this B here, okay, then A here, then C here. So once you do that, now I will go for a line command, draw a line from endpoint to this endpoint. So I am writing the second position of U by because I have rotated this by 60 degrees. Then go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Once you do that, now we have select, by holding the shift key, you select all these three lines and make this line should be of 0.5. And then I want to group this line also. Then you go to group. Automatically these three are highlighted again because I have already selected for that. Then I will click on this and say right click. So now what happens? This entire thing will going to become a single entity. Now the corner opposite to the side is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. Since he says that, so this is the true length line and the corner opposite to the side is inclined to VP at 30 degrees. So says is inclined to VP at 30 degrees. Now it is perpendicular to VP. So I want to rewrite the same sketch by rotating at an angle of 30 degrees with respect to the VP. So to do that, I will just go for a move command, select this second position top view, and by enabling copy command, you click wherever you want. Okay. Then I will go for rotate option, select this line, this entire top view, take this vertical line, rotate by an angle of 60 degrees with respect to the vertical, so that it becomes horizontal by 30 degrees with respect to VP. So how do I know that it is taken or not? You just take the dimension of these two, so you can see that you have 30 degrees. Then go to move, disable copy, select this position and place it wherever you want. Now I will go for move, enable copy, select this A and keep it here. Then again B and keep it here. And similarly C and keep it here. So now we have the third position top view. Now to this I want to write the front view. I will go for a line command, draw a vertical projector from B to the XY line and you trim that line here. Similarly, line, draw a horizontal projector from both A dash and C dash and draw a vertical projector from A to the front view and also from C to the front view. So then by using the trim corner, select between these two and select between these two. Then go to line, take the endpoint of this to the endpoint of this to the endpoint of this. Then go to split this line till here and then you split this line till here. So this is the XY line which I am taking out. This is not required. Now we have the final sketch. By holding the shift key, you select these three and you take this as 0.5. Now you go for, as C dash is here in bracket, but here C dash will be visible. Therefore, don't copy the same thing here. You just go to the text and here you type B dash and here you type A dash and here you type C dash. Then here you type capital Y and here you type capital X. Then you type VP. Then you type HP. Okay. Now you go to move command, disable copy, select X and keep it here, VP and HP, then Y here. Okay. Now you take C dash, then here you take A dash, then here you take B dash. So this is how you will be able to write the front and top view for the triangular plane. Now I will go for dimensioning. So go to the dimension style, click on ISO click on modify, go to general, make the color all are black so that you will be able to get the proper print out. For that I am using it, and go to text. There you have taken Times New Roman, so here also you take Times New Roman. There you have taken the font size as 3, so here also you take font size as 3. Come down to lines and coordinates. The dimension line thickness what I want is 0.1 and say OK and say apply. Now we will go for the dimensions. So you take distance between distance between this to this will going to give you 25. Then angle between this line and this line you are going to get 60 degrees. Then between these two you are going to get it as 30 degrees. Now then slightly you move the C position here. Sorry, there is some mistake here. You can see that there is a mistake. So here what I will do, I will go to zoom window, then you take this line and delete this. Okay, you delete this also. Then I will go for a line command. I will take endpoint and draw a vertical line. Now here remove this line, delete, then you take a trim corner between these two, sorry, go to trim corner between this line and also between this and this, then go to line, take this endpoint to this endpoint. So now you go to sketch, select this and make this as 0.5. So now you just go to text and here you type C dash, sorry, put the caps lock on and type C dash, then go to move this till here. So this is how you will be able to write the drawing by using the SolidWorks software. How do I know that my problem is right? Even in the final position you can see that the corner existing at HP, the corner opposite to the side B A dash C dash is inclined at 30 degrees to VP and the surface is inclined to HP, and this is a triangular plate of 25 mm side. So this is how you will be, since you have considered all the data whatever given in the problem in your final solution, and hence the problem is right. Thank you.